Hello students, now I am going to explain about Stokes theorem in a module 2 vector integration in the subject advanced calculus and numerical methods. So before going to do the problems based on the Stokes theorem, first we should see the statement of the Stokes theorem. According to your VTU syllabus, only you have to remember the statement of the Stokes theorem. So that derivation is not there in your syllabus. So now we'll see the statement of the Stokes theorem. So it will be like this. Let S be a surface and let vector f is equals to f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap be a vector point function where f1, f2, f3 are in the variables of x, y, z. Then for any unit vector of the surface n cap of a closed curve C, then integration over C vector f with respect to S can be written as double integration over S curl f dot n cap into ds. So that if you simplify, or we can write in a other form also, that is double integration over S del cross f dot n cap ds. Here n cap into ds that represents dy dz into I cap plus dz dx into j cap plus dx dy that into k cap. This is what the statement of the Stokes theorem. Now we'll solve the problems based on this Stokes theorem. The problem will be like this. Using Stokes theorem for vector f is equals to, we'll see the first problem. Using Stokes theorem for vector f is equals to y into I cap plus z into j cap plus x into k cap, where s is the upper half of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square, which is equals to 1, and c is the boundary. So here you just observe, using Stokes theorem, clearly they mention with the help of Stokes theorem. So vector f they given, s represents the upper half of the sphere, that sphere equation also they given. With the Stokes theorem we have to evaluate the value of this. Clearly they given vector f equation. So vector f means here y into I cap plus z into j cap plus x into k cap. So here Stokes theorem means in the formula curl f is there. It means del cross f. First we'll find out the value of this curl f, will find out. So we have to write this in terms of determinant. Always the first row is fixed, that is I cap, j cap, k cap, and in the second row del cross vector f, del the coefficient of ijk of this del we have to write, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and in the last row the coefficient of vector f we have to substitute, that is y, z, x. Now all the values we substituted in the determinant. Now you just to go for expansion of this determinant. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix determinant. So on expansion we can write this as 0 minus 1 into I cap minus 1 minus 0 into j cap plus 0 minus 1 into k cap. So curl f will become minus I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Now we got the value of curl f. So next you just see here, s represents what? Surface of the half of the sphere. Sphere equation they given as x square plus y square plus z square, which is equals to 1, and its normal becomes n cap is nothing but that is k cap. So now we'll find out the value of this curl f dot n cap. So curl f value is minus I cap minus j cap minus k cap, dot n cap is nothing but that is k cap. On multiplication of these two vector we got the value as minus 1. Now we'll write the formula for this Stokes theorem. By the Stokes theorem we have that standard formula. Write down that formula, that is integration over C vector f dot dr which is equals to double integration curl f dot n cap with respect to s. So now double integration, the value of curl f is minus 1 ds. On simplification, that negative sign we can take outside. Double integration 1 with respect to s is nothing but we can write that as a capital A. So now solution is minus A. So what is mean by this A is nothing but A is the area of a circle x square plus y square which is equals to 1. So area of a circle is nothing but A equals to pi r square. Pi r value is 1 because it's a unit circle. So here r value you just substitute as 1. On simplification, area we are getting as pi. You just substitute a value in a previous equation. Therefore, the solution will become integration over c vector f dot dr is nothing but minus pi. This is what our required solution. Now, we'll see one more problem in this Stokes theorem. If 2x minus y into I cap minus yz square into j cap minus y square z into k cap. This is what equation they given, where s is the upper half of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1 is closed by the curve C. Use Stokes theorem to find integration over C vector f dot dr. I think this question is similar to the previous problem. Here this region, it means S is the same. It is upper half of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square which is equals to 1 only they given. Only thing is the vector equation is changed here. Okay, first we'll write the given vector f, that is 2x minus y into I cap minus yz square into j cap minus y square z into k cap. Now what we have to do for this given f, first we have to find out the curl f. Curl f means del cross f. Okay, now write this in terms of determinant. First row it is fixed, that is I cap, j cap, k cap. In the second row, the coefficient of ijk in the del equation is nothing but dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And in the last row, the coefficient of ijk of vector f we have to substitute. That is 2x minus y minus yz square minus y square z. Now you just go for expansion of this determinant, so that it will become minus 2yz plus 2yz into I cap minus 0 minus 0 into j cap plus 0 plus 1 into k cap. On simplification, we are getting solution as k cap. So curl f, that will become a k cap. Now curl f value we got it. Next we'll see s, where s represents upper half of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square which is equals to 1. So so normal is n cap. N cap is equals to k cap. So now curl f dot n cap, this value will find out, that is k cap dot k cap. So it means what we are getting solution as 1, that is curl f dot n cap. Now we'll write the formula for this Stokes theorem. By the Stokes theorem, the formula will become like this: integration over c vector f dot dr which is equals to double integration over s curl f dot n cap with respect to s. Now the obtained value you just substitute in the RHS side. Double integration over s, the value is 1 with respect to s. So that is A. A stands for area of the circle, that is x square plus y square which is equals to 1. So area means pi r square, that is pi of 1 square which is equals to pi. Integration over c vector f dot dr which is equals to pi. This is what our required solution. Still we can solve n number of problems based on this. Only two I solved here. Thank you.